Very good morning, and thank you very much to Sri Chandra Mishra ji and Beggars Corporation for having invited me to share my thoughts. Let me first say this is such a laudable initiative. I remember Mishra ji speaking to me about this when I was in government. The importance of work for human dignity cannot be, overemphasized. Work is something that not only provides dignity but can make a big difference to, to entire generations and not only the family. I'll speak from personal experience. My father, he lost his father when he was 7-year-old, and barely managed to finish school education through the generosity of his elder brother and an elder sister. Now he was able to, having finished school, and then he was able to join in the clerical grade in the Indian Railways. And because he had that job, that enabled him to educate me and my younger brother. And it's because of that gift of education that I was able to contribute to the nation. Whenever I would, in my office as the Chief Economic Advisor, when I would look at the boards, the board for the previous Chief Economic Advisor, the 16 names that preceded me, and then I would look at my name, the 17th one. To me, the importance of education and thereby a job, in being able to, bridge social mobility or, becoming more socially mobile. I think that was always something that came to the fore. So it is not only did that job, provide enormous dignity to my father, who went through a lot of, penury and lack of respect till he started working, but it also enabled him to uplift me and my brother, and thereby so now my kids and then their kids, etc., will be part of a social strata of society that was unimaginable for us 2 generations back. So I think this personal story in some sense illustrates the power of work in being able to raise generations, not just one family. And therefore, in that context, I think this initiative, before Mishra ji mentioned this to me, this idea itself seemed, I don't think anybody else thought about this idea before. किसी और ने इतनी अच्छी एक आइडिया जो है इसके बारे में सोचा नहीं था. तो क्योंकि एक जब आप कमाते हो, आप बिजनेस करके या फिर आप नौकरी से कमाते हो, तो उससे जो अब मन को संतुष्टि मिलती है अपने बलबूते पे जो कर रहे हैं, उससे जो बहुत जिंदगी में एक आनंद आता है. तो वो जो आनंद है, बेगर्स कॉर्पोरेशन अपने सारे जो स्टेक होल्डर्स है उनको देने की कोशिश कर रहा है. ये बहुत ही एक अच्छा एक इनिशिएटिव है. तो इसीलिए मैं मिश्रा जी और बाकी जो भी भागीदार हैं इस बहुत ही अच्छे एक जो प्रयास है, उसमें मैं सबको नमन करता हूं, क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा आइडिया. क्योंकि यदि आप देखें तो ऐसे जो आइडियाज हैं जो कई लोगों को लग सकता है कि ये प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है, लेकिन जब ऐसे आइडियाज, पाथ ब्रेकिंग आइडियाज, इन पे अमल किया जाता है तो उससे जो है हमारी सोसाइटी में उद्धार होता है. तो ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया है. किसी ने शायद सोचा भी नहीं था इससे पहले. भारत के 75 वर्ष जो इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद, आज़ादी के बाद हुई, लेकिन 75 वर्षों के बाद इस तरह की एक आइडिया सोची गई. तो ये आपसे और मिश्रा जी से और बाकी लोगों से जो भी इन्वॉल्व है उनसे ये आग्रह रहेगा कि इस आइडिया को और बड़ा बनाएं, ताकि अगले कुछ सालों में जो भी हम सिर्फ वाराणसी, सिर्फ काशी में ही नहीं, बाकी जहां भी भारत में जहां भी ऐसे भिखारियों की जो भिखारी हैं, उनको रोजगार देके उनको अपनी जीवन सुधारने की, अपनी जीवन संवारने की का जो अवसर बेगर्स कॉर्पोरेशन दे सकता है, तो ये बहुत ही नेक काम है। और जैसे आप लोगों को ध्यान होगा, हमने 2019-20 का जो आर्थिक सर्वेक्षण था उसमें लिखा था एथिकल वेल्थ क्रिएशन। तो ये बेगर्स कॉर्पोरेशन जो है, दिस इज एन इनिशिएटिव फॉर एथिकल वेल्थ क्रिएशन एट द बॉटम ऑफ द पिरामिड, एंड इसीलिए दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी लॉडेबल इनिशिएटिव। आई वांट टू जेन्युइनली अप्रिशिएट and sincerely thank people like Mishra ji for thinking about this idea and executing it. And I'm sure they faced many who might have doubted their ability to fructify this idea, but to have done that, I think is incredibly laudable, and inspires all of us to not take impossible as a word that is that they take it for granted. With mindset, with the right mindset, with positive thinking, what can be thought of as impossible can be made possible. I think that is the biggest learning from this extremely laudable initiative. Thank you very much for inviting me once again to share my thoughts. It's my privilege to be able to share my thoughts on this extremely nice initiative. Thank you.